All right. So this video is for you if you're the person who's like, I just have so much stuff to do. There's so much on my plate, so many responsibilities that I have to get done that taking a break, that's not an option. Like, I don't have time to slow down, take a break. It's not a good idea. This video is for you. Okay. So here's what's going on. You're putting a lot of pressure on yourself. Now, I know you might feel like that's a bit much, or you may agree with it. Either way, this is what I believe is true because this is what I know that I have lived through myself. My name is Khadijah Amari, and I'm a self care strategist. And I teach my clients what I have learned, what I have used in my own life. And in my experience, especially us busy professionals, busy women, we carry a lot of stuff. We put a lot of stuff on our own shoulders. Okay. And it's not that you're not doing a good job, like you're not doing enough stuff because you are. You're doing enough. um, you're doing enough. So it's not that you're not doing enough. It's not that you're not getting everything done that you want to get done. It's this pressure, like a pressure cooker. Think of a pressure cooker. You're locking things in, you're trapping the water, you're trapping the steam, and there's no escape. There's nowhere for the steam to go. Everything is just inside the pressure cooker. And that is the scenario that you're sort of creating for yourself when you're go, go, go. I got to do this, and this. I got all these responsibilities. Yep, I'll help you with that. Yep, I'll help you with that. Yep, I'll accept that invite to go to that thing. But you're not releasing any of the pressure. You're not releasing and saying, hey, I need to pause. I need to say no to this invite. I need to say no to this extra responsibility. Even another way of thinking of it is I need to delegate one of the responsibilities that are on my plate. Maybe ask my spouse or ask my child or ask my coworker or inform my boss. Hey, I know you gave me this new thing, but this other thing is also a priority. So do you want me to switch these priorities? Are you expecting to receive this first thing that you gave me last week? Are you expecting that today? Or do you want me to swap the thing you're giving me today, make that the priority for today? The other thing can take the back burner and I can do that tomorrow. Like, how are you relieving some of that pressure? It's very, 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 very important. Okay. Because when you relieve the pressure, you will be able to last longer. You'll be able to go further. Okay. You'll feel refreshed, refilled, rejuvenated, relaxed. You'll be getting that quality time that you've been wanting. And the goal is for you to not have to feel guilty about it, right? So that's where writing affirmations comes in, because that's a self-talk situation. That is a mental thing that's going on in your head, the conversation that you're having with yourself about, I haven't done enough. I need to take on this other responsibility thing. Oh, they invited me, I should go. Like, you don't have to bully yourself. Okay, you don't have to bully yourself. You can actually be kind to yourself, be truthful and honest with yourself, and let yourself know that, hey, I love you. I see you. I respect you. And I want to give you a hug because I see that you're stressed right now. I see that you're overwhelmed. And I just want to take something off your plate, right? Just like a mom would do for their child, just like a supervisor might even do for their subordinate when they see that, okay, we overwhelmed them a little bit too much. They about to fall over. You know, if they're a waitress with a rack of food on the table, that tray is going down. Like, they're not going to make it to the table to be able to serve the food to the people. It's too much on this hand table thing. It's too much. It's not going to work. So essentially, you have to learn how to do that for yourself. And I teach my clients how to do that process by being more kind to themselves, speaking more kindly to themselves, speaking more lovingly. That way you start to act more lovingly and you're able to show up in that way by caring for yourself. Okay, but here is a quick tidbit in case you want to, well, two quick tidbits. One, if you want to learn how to write affirmations for me, then click the link below. You're totally invited to join the CoResting Circle on the school platform. That's my community. on a school platform, and we host affirmation writing workshops. I'm working on like making sure that I execute an affirmation writing workshop at least once a month. They're near and dear to my heart. Like, I love writing affirmations and I love helping other people learn how to write super impactful affirmations that are personalized to themselves. So if you're interested in attending an affirmation writing workshop from me, then go ahead and join the CoResting Circle, and I'll make an announcement about when the next uh, affirmation writing workshop is happening. I believe there's already one scheduled for June, but I can put that date in the description below. Also, the link to join will be in the description as well. So the next tidbit is here's just a tip to be able to work up to getting to, let's say, being able to have one day a week where you don't have to do anything. I want you to think about it in baby steps, right? Think about it in baby steps. So you're feeling overwhelmed and you would love to just get to this place of, I just want to at least have one day to myself. I don't have to do, there's no obligation. Nobody's asking me questions and nobody's like giving me more stuff to do and inviting me to I just need one day. I want you to work on this in baby steps. Take 5 minutes. 5 minutes. If anybody, you set this 5 minute time frame, and if somebody asks you for something, the answer is no within that 5 minute window. Like, not right now, right? Like, I need time. You can come back to me in 5 to 10 more minutes. Please and thank you, right? So if you do 5 minutes, you can do 30 minutes. You do 30 minutes, you can do an hour. You do an hour, you can do 2 hours, right? You do 2 hours, you can do a half a day. If you get enough repetitions of like blocking off, making sacred time for yourself, making quality time for you, to celebrate you, to love on you for a half a day, you can and will eventually get to blocking off time for yourself for an entire day. But going from never having even taken 5 minutes or 30 minutes of being able to just not with other people, not with other responsibilities, like, it's going to be very, very difficult to all of a sudden say, yep, I'm just going to take a day off, like blocking out all the things from everybody and I'm resting. Be darned what other folks say, want, do, right? Like, that's going to be really hard. So that is what I will challenge you to do when you are thinking about doing self-care. Okay. Thank you for watching this video. I will catch you in the next one. And don't forget to join the CoResting Circle on the school platform. See you later.